Kyora Tashae back with another video. So as you've seen from the title, this is just a quick, easy wash and go style on my short TWA hair, okay? It's very simple, you know. Basically, I just showed you guys how I got this style. And some nice, easy baby edges. Nothing too extreme. Just, you know, cute little style that y'all want to do in case y'all in a rush. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I got this style, and please don't forget, before you even continue, to like, comment, and subscribe on my video. So I'm back, guys. So I had already co-washed my hair already in the shower. What I use is the As I Am coconut co-wash. It's very good, it smells wonderful, and it's just like a quick cleansing for your hair to get all that free product out before doing a wash and go style, because when you do wash and go styles, you're gonna have to put a lot of gel and product in it, so you want to make sure that your hair is fully clean. So let's go ahead and get into the styling. I'm sorry guys, the part of the video that I was using these two products with the Carol's Daughter Enhancing Moisturizing Butter and then the TheManeChoice Braid Out Glaze, the video deleted, so I apologize, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I use the next product with the glaze. I then went in with my denim brush to kind of define my curls a little bit more instead of actually just moisturizing it in. This kind of helps stimulate the curls to curl a little bit more and get my coils to be more defined. So then I went in with my TheManeChoice styling cream. This is basically just a cream to help hold the curls that you have in place and to keep the curls maintained and give your hair some shine as well. I noticed when I was doing my edges was looking kind of white because of all the product buildup that I had in my hair before I started my edges. So just make sure, just don't put too much because it can make your edges look white. So what I didn't video that part, but I just put on a satin scarf after I did them and then took it off and then just redid them a little bit so they'll look more freshly new. So guys, this is the end of my tutorial. I really do hope you guys like it. You know, becoming a natural hair YouTuber and trying to get into the trend of all these other YouTubers is amazing. It's very kind of a struggle for me because you got to get your content out there. So I just really appreciate you guys for just supporting me the best way you guys can, just liking and commenting on my videos, letting me know what styles you like and what part of the video that you really was interested in. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. I love y'all and I thank you for the support. And just guys, just wait for another upload. Bye.